Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a unboxing of one of the mystery boxes that I actually bought last month. You guys probably see my December's mystery box unboxing. I actually purchased two additional one, but I didn't realize they were actually for January, and I just received the one of them. Think would be still worth it to do a video with you guys. This is the box to look like. It's called Pocket Box. This is actually similar, like if you guys ever watched Kathleen Light at her YouTube channel, she every month does I think it's called the boxing charm. So it's like a box similar like this, and mix with all different products. You only pay a set price for the box, but the value inside the box should be always over the money you paid, basically. As you can see, I haven't got any makeup on, as I don't really know what is included. Just in case there are some like skincare products, then we can try. Let me quickly open. Oh, what's this? Okay, let's get this card out first. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in there. So let's just go through first. First one, they have UNNY. This one I actually have UNNY face wash. Let me just quickly open. I currently using UNNY face wash. Let me see if it's the same one, which is very good. It's the same. Let me grab mine. This is the one I'm currently using, as you can tell. And this is the new one. I think it's bigger than mine. No, they're the same. I'll keep it. This UNNY face wash, it is really good. My own expectation for face cleaning products, I'm more focused on the cleaning result rather than anything else, rather than including some other skincare functions in there. I'm not overly bothered with those things, but I need the products is easy to use, easy to be washed, and it doesn't dry up the face, neither make it too oily. The whole experience needs to be feel like my face is cleaned, and UNNY so far tick all the boxes. So yeah, I'm very glad that there is additional one in here. Let's see what's next. Okay, this is the 起泡网. This is what the for is. I'm too lazy to use something like this. So what you're supposed to do is squeeze a little bit into it, put a little bit of water, then just squeeze them like this. Then you will have a very creamy foam out. It's supposed to better clean your face. But if you have time, or of course, always use this way. I think after a long term, you will see a result. But me, I'm too lazy, and I'm a mom. I haven't got that extra time, I'm afraid. Okay, let's move on to the next. Is a face mask. Oh, this is good. I need some face mask. This is from a brand called Romasin. Romasin, is that how to pronounce? 若美心 Romasin. It is their deep hydrate brightening facial mask. The main functions are deeply clean the dust from your pores, but at the same time hydrating your skin. Work with, what's this called? Sodium hydrogenate. Is a special ingredient. Is to soften your skin. Let's finish with what's got left. This one is, I don't know how to pronounce this. Eiio? This is the Radiance Silky Lip Balm. So lip treatment. Then this is, I think, is a lipstick. Is Riva Girl Raincoat Tint Velvet. Is number 199, which we'll use as well. The last one is Espoir eyeshadow palette. This is a very cute diary. The material outside is literally like, you know, like a cloth. Personally, I think would be a little bit too pink for my liking, but let's. Ooh, it is really, really fine. It is literally like, well, for all the matte color, it is. It just feel like you touch a pressed, well pressed powder. Well, we try it together. Let me do the face masks first. I need that mask as I finish washing my face. Hasn't put anything on for over half an hour. I think I need to have a hairband. This is not from the box. I think this was from somebody gave to my daughter, I think. I just gonna borrow hers. Oh, she wouldn't like anything like this. She is the typical kid that, you know, don't like anything to be put on her head. Do you guys want to see something like this as a series, that as a monthly thing? I haven't planned this to be a monthly thing. So this month I have another box coming up, just so you guys know. And to be honest, I think it could be fun that if one of the boxes is very good value for money, do you guys want to see as a monthly thing? I don't know. So yeah, do let me know. Leave your comments. Okay, is a black mask. Mask of these things, you know, especially for Chinese design, it's all designed for smaller face. My face is fairly round and big, so it always just about okay to put on my face. He's cold. Oh dear, he's cold. I like this type of masks that already, you know, cut the edges for you. It's just not like a full sheet that you won't be able to cover your full face. But this one is good, you see. It has cut the edges for you, so it's easier to go around your own face shape. This one says 15 to 20 minutes, no need wash off. Oh, great. Although a lot of face says you don't need to wash off, but a lot of time when it's finished, it's very sticky, so I always end up just wash off. It still has so much product in there, which is good. Oh, don't waste them. I see you guys in 15 minutes. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Anyway, scared myself. 15 minutes. Ooh. Still got loads left. I still got loads on my face, so I'm not sure my face be able to drink all of it. Still a lot. I mean, a lot. As it still hasn't been absorbed, I won't waste everyone's time. The next one we're going to use is the eyeshadow palette. So I won't drag all of you to wait all this time with me. So we're going to straight away jump this part. I finish your face and the brows, then we come back to the eyeshadow palette. Oh, actually, we're not moving on just yet, as I'm going to put the lip treatment on before the foundation. Now it's being absorbed, like 90% still, little bit. I'm not sure whether it's going to work against any foundation. We soon find out, but it seems after being dried, it's not that sticky. Only tiny slightly, which is good, which means you may not need to wash it off Especially if you do masks in the evening, right? You normally finish, go to that. You don't want everything just sticky on your face. But seems this wouldn't be the case. That's the lip treatment to look like. It's literally look like lip balm, but I have to say, very good weight and good packaging. Oh, twist. Inside, they look like this. There isn't much smell. Only tiny little bit taste. I think that this type of lip balm is good to use during the daytime, as easy to, you know, to use, to just glide on. I think if you want to like nourishing your lip during the night, that you normally need to use slightly thick layer, unless you cut it, scoop it out yourself. Yeah, I can't think of other way to make a thick layer, because this, like, it doesn't matter how much you layer on top, it kept the similar level. I'm going to do foundation now. I see you in a minute. Let's have a look. The other way around. The eyeshadow palette, and they are knocking again downstairs. I don't know when it's going to be the end, but yeah, just so you know. It is more pink based eyeshadow palette, but you know what? I will same time open the lip tint as well. So let's see what's color of this one, because if they don't really go together, will look weird. Although I'm not going anywhere, but still, you know, try to coordinate. Oh, this is what it look like. A Riva girl. This looks like, this is bright orange color. I don't think gonna be, you know, yeah, two of them I don't think is gonna go. But I think for today's purpose, I should, right? I should. Regardless whether it goes or not, I will use it. Just to quickly feedback on the lip treatment. This so far is still very hydrating and not cause any discomfort, something like that. By the way, the face mask doesn't work against with foundation. At least so far, I literally just put the foundation on. I didn't put any primer or anything else. So that's a good thing about it. Again, I would do a simple quick eye look, as it's kind of no-brainer how this full color works together, top up with the shimmer color, and that's the blush. So still zoom you in, fast forwarding, let's come back to the end. Have done the eyes. I think is very average, mainly because of the shimmer color. The matte color, even including this too, supposed to have a little bit of glitter, but mainly matte finish. The four of them are okay to use, but the two glitter shimmery color, and you can also see on my eyes, it gets very uneven, very easy to fall out. Even you dip with your finger, apply it. One side I'm applying okay, and the other side is kind of just can't really get the glitter onto the eyelid. So I think it's, yeah. Let me see how much it is. This eyeshadow palette. The official selling price is 119 in RMB. It is equivalent to about 18.6 US dollars. I think it's for 18 US dollars for the packaging and the quality. Yeah. I have my own opinion, let's put it that way. Anyway, that's finished with the lip. As we saw the lip color earlier, from the swatches perspective, there is nothing that special, but that's put on the lip. Just to remove the lip balm earlier. I think the lip balm is good. I still can feel the hydration on the lip, and it's not sticky at all. Let me grab a mirror. It smells like a candy. Tastes like a candy, very mild. I think the liquid lipstick, it is not bad. Although the color, there is nothing really special about it. It's just fairly common, bright orange color, but the good thing is it's not a luminant finish, and it's quite lighten up your skin tone. Like when you see the lip color surrounded, it's quite lightening up. That's a good thing. And the formulation, I quite like it. It is very lightweight and it doesn't sink into the lines, even spreads it out. It's not sticky at all. It just, when you apply it, have a very mild, pleasant, I have to say, pleasant candy sweet smell, and a tiny little bit of taste, but like now I can't taste or smell at all. But that's not bad at all. It's better to have hair up. It's not kind of all around my neck. Anyway, the full box I paid 164 RMB, which is equivalent to around 25 US dollars. And the value inside of the box is, I just need to use a calculator. Shame on me, innit? Chinese is supposed to be all good at maths. Well, I can do it, but I think use a calculator would be way much quicker and more accurate. All the items in the box, they're adding all their values together, equivalent to 408 RMB, which is 64 US dollars. So the box itself, I think, is definitely value for money. And the items inside, as I'm first time experience this type of box, I think is average. Is nothing really I feel surprised or feel like, oh wow, I feel so happy to see this item to be included in the box. So yeah, anyway, I have another box coming up, should be around this couple of days. We will open the other one together as well. If you guys are interested in this type of video, I'll probably sign up for one of the boxes to have it like a monthly thing with you guys. So yeah, hope you're enjoying and like today's video. If you do click the like button, and most importantly to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video.